In this video, we are going to see how we can change or add a hairstyle to a person using a generative fill option. So let's go in here. Let's upload an image. Now let's try the image of a bald man. So this picture is great, but let's say that we want to add his hairstyle. So what we'll do is we will click on insert and let's choose this whole area. We just want to test how natural it looks. Okay, let's click on reset, reduce the brush size, and then make the changes. Let's reduce the brush size. That's okay. Now let's select like this. Okay. And let's reduce the brush size even further. And let's say like this. Okay. And his beard color is brown. So I'm going to say brown back combed hair. Make sure the spellings are correct. And let's click on generate. And you can see, guys, how perfectly it has added here for this person. This looks 100% natural. So these are all the styles, whatever we want to choose. Click on keep and let's click on download. So this one is the before and this one is the after. You can see how naturally it has covered all the area with perfect hairline and perfect hair. It doesn't look fake. It doesn't look AI generated. So that's the power of Firefly. You can try this function. It's very interesting. So just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.